Hey, wellness warriors! Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things natural beauty and self-care. Today, I'm sharing something super exciting, how you can start your very own skincare business right from home. So grab your notebooks because today, we're diving into the 10 best ingredients you'll need to get started on your natural DIY skincare journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Shea butter. It is rich in vitamins A, E, and F. Shea butter is a go-to ingredient for moisturizing and skin healing, great for dry or sensitive skin. You can create body butters, moisturizers, and lip balms using shea butter. Make sure to source unrefined shea butter for the most natural and potent benefits. Did you know shea butter is often called women's gold in Africa due to its centuries-old beauty benefits? Number 2. Coconut oil. It is anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and packed with antioxidants. It's a great base for soaps, scrubs, and even hair treatments. Coconut oil is versatile. Just be mindful of the scent and texture in your products. Number 3. Aloe vera gel. It helps to calm irritated skin, fights acne, and promotes healing. Perfect for toners, serums, and after-sun care. Fresh aloe is best, but you can also find pure aloe vera gel if you're looking for a time saver. Aloe vera has over 75 different active compounds that are all beneficial for skin. Number 4. Jojoba oil. It is hydrating, non-comedogenic, and mimics the skin's natural oils. Use it in face oils, body oils, or as a cleanser. Jojoba oil is a great ingredient to help balance oily skin without causing breakouts. Jojoba oil was actually used by ancient civilizations, including the Native Americans. Number 5. Rose water. It's great hydrating, refreshing, and good for all skin types. A great ingredient for face mists, toners, and eye serums. You can make your own rose water at home with dried rose petals. It's super simple. Just boil fresh rose petals in water and let it cool. Rose water has been used in beauty routines for over 2,000 years, from Cleopatra's time to today. Number 6. Lavender essential oil. It is anti-inflammatory, calming, and good for acne-prone skin. Ideal for soothing skin serums, bath products, or relaxing face masks. A little goes a long way with essential oils. Always dilute in a carrier oil. Lavender has calming effects, so it's great to add to your nighttime skincare routine. Number 7. Activated charcoal. It's great, detoxifying, purifying, and works wonders for oily and acne-prone skin. Use it in masks, cleansers, and soaps to draw out impurities. If you're using it in masks, always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Activated charcoal has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty products. Number 8. Honey the antibacterial, moisturizing, and perfect for healing skin. It's great for face masks, lip balms, or as a humectant in creams. Raw honey is the best for skincare because it retains all its healing properties. Honey has been used in skincare routines for over 4,000 years. The Egyptians were all about it. Number 9. Green tea extract. It's an antioxidant-rich, anti-aging, and good for calming inflammation. Great for face serums, toners, and anti-aging creams. You can brew your own green tea and use it as a base for toners or facial sprays. Did you know green tea is packed with polyphenols, which fight free radicals and slow down aging? Number 10. Witch hazel. A natural astringent, balances oily skin and helps with acne. Use it as a toner or spot treatment for blemishes. If you have sensitive skin, make sure to dilute it with a bit of water. Witch hazel has been used by Native Americans for centuries due to its medicinal properties. And there you have it! These 10 ingredients are just the beginning of what you can create with natural, homemade skincare. Whether you're starting a business or just making products for personal use, these ingredients are versatile, effective, and easy to work with. Let me know in the comments which ingredient you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more wellness tips. Thanks for watching and stay glowing.